DC is one of the most expensive cities in the United States, but there are many ways to enjoy DC for free. It's a city of treasures, teeming with historical landmarks, picturesque parks, and stunning museums. That's what we'll be discovering today. Washington, D.C., as the nation's capital, is renowned for its rich history, diverse culture, and vibrant atmosphere. Soaking in the city's essence does not have to come with a hefty price tag. In fact, D.C. offers plenty of free activities that cater to all ages, preferences, and interests. It is this very quality that makes me absolutely adore living and working here. Let's start by exploring the National Mall, the heart of D.C. This expansive public park is brimming with iconic monuments, each with its own fascinating story. Walking through the National Mall is like taking a stroll through the pages of American history. You come face to face with the deeply ingrained patriotism and inspiring legacy that echo in every corner of this city. From the towering Washington Monument to the solemn Lincoln Memorial, the National Mall hosts a collection of America's most significant memorials. Then, there's the reflecting pool, a serene body of water that mirrors these timeless structures. As you wander further, you'll find the World War II Memorial, the Vietnam Veterans Memorial, and the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. Each monument bears testament to important periods and figures in our nation's story. But the National Mall is not just about monuments. It is also a place of leisure and relaxation. Wide, tree-lined paths beckon for a leisurely stroll. The lush green lawns present an ideal spot for picnics. You can spread out a blanket, lay back, and relish in the beauty of nature. And when the cherry blossoms bloom in March, the view is simply breathtaking. Canopies of pink and white flowers transform the landscape, making it a photographer's dream. This is truly the time when the city comes alive with people celebrating the arrival of spring. Enjoying DC for free is as easy as breathing in the fresh air while strolling around its historic heart. So, next time you visit DC, don't forget to explore the National Mall. Admire the iconic monuments and enjoy a leisurely stroll or a picnic. Next, take a meaningful walk through the Black Lives Matter Plaza, a vibrant symbol of social justice. It is more than just a physical space. It's an affirmation of rights, a beacon of hope, and a war cry for justice, inviting every passerby to stop, reflect, and join the chorus of voices calling for equality. It's a constant reminder of the strength of a unified community that chooses to stand tall against systemic racism and social injustices. Definitely a must visit. Then, dive into the world of knowledge by exploring the Smithsonian museums. The moment you step into these hallowed halls, the scent of history and knowledge engulfs you, taking you on a journey, unparalleled in wonder and discovery. Multifaceted and diverse, these museums are a world unto themselves, where each artifact, painting, and exhibit tells a story. Imagine entering the National Air and Space Museum, where exhibits pay tribute to mankind's fascination with the sky and beyond. From the Wright brothers' first flight to the Apollo moon landing, every exhibit is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. See aircraft and spacecraft that have written history, and marvel at the sheer dedication it took to break the bonds of Earth's gravity. Then you could move on to the National Museum of Natural History, where the planet's history is inscribed in every rock, fossil, and bone. From the gigantic dinosaurs that once roamed the Earth to the tiny insects that form the backbone of our planet's ecosystems, each display tells a story of life's evolution and diversity. It's a place where you can travel back in time and witness the Earth's formation, the rise and fall of species, and comprehend the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Sprinkled in between these two giants are a plethora of other museums. Each one beckons with its own unique allure. Whether it's the sparkling gems and minerals in the National Museum of Natural History, the beautifully preserved specimens in the National Museum of American History, or the stunning art collections at the National Gallery of Art, every museum offers a different perspective, a unique lens through which to view the world. Every corner of these museums pulsates with the life stories of great men and women, of civilizations long gone, and of cultures still thriving today. As you move from one exhibit to another, you'll absorb the essence of their journeys, their struggles, and their triumphs. You'll start to appreciate the countless threads that bind together to form the tapestry of human history. And the best part? You'll embark on this magnificent journey of discovery without spending a dime. Indulge in the arts at the John F. Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts. Nestled in the heart of the nation's capital, this cultural haven is a gleaming beacon of creativity, inspiration, and human achievement. The center, dedicated to the late President Kennedy, stands as an enduring testament to his vision for a thriving American arts scene. The grand edifice stands majestically, its design a glorious union of modern architectural trends and timeless elegance. Step inside, and you'll find yourself immersed in an awe-inspiring world. The high ceilings, the sweeping staircases, the breathtaking views of the Potomac River, everything speaks volumes about the exquisite taste that went into designing this architectural marvel. Each hallway, each corner, each room to the craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into building this iconic structure. From the polished marble floors reflecting the soft glow of the recessed lights to the towering columns that seem to rise endlessly towards the sky, everything about the Kennedy Center is designed to inspire awe and reverence. Beyond its architectural grandeur, the center is a bustling hub of culture and artistic expression. Hosting a diverse range of performances, everything shows to ballets from symphonies to hip-hop concerts, the Kennedy Center is a celebration of the transformative power of art. The center is home to the National Symphony Orchestra, the Washington National Opera, and countless other resident and visiting performers. But the Kennedy Center is much more than just a venue for performances. It's a place where artists and art lovers from all walks of life come together to celebrate creativity, to learn, and to inspire each other. The center offers a variety of educational programs and community outreach initiatives that aim to make the arts accessible to all. Among these initiatives are the free tours offered to the public. These guided tours offer a unique opportunity to go behind the scenes and explore the inner workings of this renowned cultural institution. The tours not only allow you to admire the stunning architecture, but they also give you the chance to learn about the cultural significance of the center, its history, and its role in the American art scene. While catching a show might come with a price, the center offers free tours for you to admire the stunning architecture and learn about its cultural significance. Discover the city's hidden gems by joining one of the many free guided walking tours. In this wonderful city, each street corner, every narrow alley, and even the seemingly insignificant holds a piece of history waiting to be unraveled. Embark on this eye-opening journey where we not only discover but also learn. Learn about the city's rich history, its architecture, its culture, and much more. Many of the local guides are a treasure trove of knowledge and takes great pride in their city. They know every nook and corner, every building, and the stories enclosed within them. With their eloquent narrations and fascinating tales, they promise to captivate your interest and make your voyage a memorable one. They will lead you through streets that have been silent witnesses to the city's evolution, through parks that have borne the brunt of time, and past buildings that speak volumes of the city's history. This journey won't just be about viewing aged buildings or picturesque landscapes. It will be a comprehensive study, a deep dive into the city's past, present, and future. We will explore the city's rich architectural heritage, its vibrant art scene, its multifaceted culture, and its dynamic residents. You'll learn about the city's humble beginnings, its struggles and triumphs, its legends and myths, and its transformation over time. With every step, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the city's character, its essence, and what makes it truly unique. From its historic districts, its cultural landmarks, to its modern-day skyscrapers, each element of the city has a story to tell. The beautiful amalgamation of old and new, the blend of cultures, and the harmony of past and present makes the city a living, breathing entity. Our guides, with their wealth of knowledge, will help you unravel these captivating stories and provide insights into the city's soul. Knowledgeable guides will lead you through historic neighborhoods, sharing fascinating stories and insights about the city's past and present. Step into the grandeur of the largest library in the world, the Library of Congress. The moment you cross the threshold, you are welcomed by an astounding vista of beautifully carved stone pillars, intricate sculptures, and a ceiling adorned with breathtaking murals that tell tales of the great American history. Allow your eyes to wander, soaking in the splendor of the scenery, noticing the detailed carvings that flirt with the play of shadow and light. There is a certain magic in the air, and it is almost as if the walls whisper stories of epics gone by, tales of knowledge, wisdom, and power that have been passed down through generations. Experience the architecture that is a testament to the human spirit's triumph over time, the grand arches and towering bookshelves, each a monument to the power of learning and intellectual pursuit. These grand halls are filled with poignant silence, punctuated only by the soft rustle of turning pages, allowing ideas to echo and resonate. Take a moment to marvel at the impressive collection the library boasts. Covering every conceivable subject under the sun, the wealth of books, maps, photos, and records is a testament to humanity's quest for knowledge. The volumes lined up on shelves carry voices from the past, provide insight into the present, and provide glimpses into the future. Each corner of the library holds treasures waiting to be discovered. There are sections dedicated to law, music, art, history, science, and literature, each one holding a universe within itself. The labyrinth of aisles is like a maze for the mind, with every turn revealing a new world to dive into. The Library of Congress also offers a plethora of free exhibitions, where you can feast your eyes on rare artifacts, ancient manuscripts, and invaluable pieces of art. These exhibitions are a journey into the heart of culture, history, and human achievement. There's a sense of awe that takes over as you roam the corridors of this historical marvel. The library also holds regular events, including lectures, film screenings, and musical performances, all designed to fuel your intellectual curiosity, ignite discussions, and promote learning. Take advantage of the free exhibitions and events. The Library of Congress is not just a building, it's a symbol of our collective memory, a place that keeps the flame of knowledge burning bright and steady. It's an experience that leaves you enriched, enlightened, and eager to explore further. Stroll through historic Georgetown with its charming streets and well-preserved architecture. As you traverse the cobblestone streets, you are enveloped by a sense of nostalgia, as if stepping back in time. Each building, each brick, each window seems to tell a story that dates back centuries. The neighborhood is an enchanting blend of old and new, a testament to the city's rich historical legacy juxtaposed against its ever-progressing future. As you continue your exploration, you will surely notice the diversity of architectural styles. The Victorian houses, with their ornate carvings and romantic balconies, stand proudly next to the rustic Georgian townhouses, whose elegant simplicity radiates a timeless elegance. Yet it is not only the buildings that create this district's unique character. The local shops, with their quirky storefronts and unique treasures, offer a shopping experience unlike any other. From antique furniture to boutique fashion, there is something to suit every taste. Additionally, the array of eateries in the neighborhood, ranging from traditional bistros to modern cafes, offers a culinary journey that complements the visual feast that Georgetown provides. The area's culture is also rich and vibrant. Art galleries displaying works by local artists, street performers keeping alive the tradition of busking, and the residents themselves, with their friendly smiles and warm hospitality, contribute to the welcoming, inclusive atmosphere of Georgetown. And as the sun sets, Georgetown transforms. The historic buildings are dramatically lit, casting enchanting shadows on the cobbled streets, and the night becomes alive with the hum of conversation and the clinking of glasses from the neighborhood pubs. This picturesque neighborhood is one of my favorites in DC. Finally, visit Planet Word, a museum dedicated to the power of words and language. A marvel of architectural grandeur nestled in the heart of the city, Planet Word is far more than just a museum. It's a sanctuary for the written and spoken word, a haven for linguists, and a playground for anyone who revels in the beauty and power of language. Stepping through its doors, you'll find yourself transported into a world where language comes alive. The museum is designed to stimulate your senses and your mind, offering a captivating exploration of words through the ages and across cultures. It's a place where hieroglyphics coalesce with emojis, where Shakespeare's soliloquies rub shoulders with modern-day rap lyrics. The exhibits are not only engaging, but also interactive. They range from the history of the written word to the evolution of speech, from the intricate complexities of languages to the fascinating nuances of dialects. Children can delight in the magic of storytelling, while adults can immerse themselves in the profundity of linguistics. The museum even offers virtual reality experiences that transport you to different eras and places, allowing you to witness language in its various forms. Planet Word is not just for linguists or literature enthusiasts. It's an experience that's suitable for all ages and interests. It bridges the gap between education and entertainment, transforming learning into an adventure. It fosters a deeper understanding and appreciation of language, proving the power words can have to inspire, to connect, and to change the world. So, whether you're a poetry aficionado, a budding linguist, or simply a curious soul, there's something for everyone. An educational and entertaining destination suitable for all ages. Those were the top 8 free ways to enjoy DC. Remember to click like and subscribe for more travel guides to DC and elsewhere. Thank you for watching.